Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen back with another video. These are Sriracha cream cheese wontons. It is a very quick and simple recipe. Let's get started. Okay, I know what you're saying. Dang girl, another recipe with cream cheese. Y'all leave me alone. So what I have here is some softened cream cheese. Y'all, all my recipes, I'm convinced, have cream cheese in them. This is softened cream cheese, and I'm adding some garlic powder and a little bit of sugar. And then you're just gonna mix those together until they are well incorporated. Next, I'm going in with some Sriracha. As you can see, it's not the name brand Sriracha, it's the Kroger brand, but hey, they all work the same. So just go in with your Sriracha and keep mixing. Lastly, I'm gonna add in my green onions. Y'all, I love green onions, but just put what I have listed in the recipe for the green onions, because I remember I did this recipe before and I added in a whole bunch of green onions because I love them, and the recipe was ruined. So only go with what I have in the actual recipe in the description box. So now we're going to start putting our wontons together, y'all. I'm a horrible wonton wrapper person, so just bear with me. I'm going to start off by just putting only a teaspoon of the cream cheese mixture in the middle. Make sure you do not overfill these, because if you overfill them, they're going to be hard to close, and that's going to result in your cream cheese coming out during the frying process. So only use about a teaspoon of the cream cheese mixture in the middle. And then we're just going to start wrapping these wontons. I'm using water, y'all. I would really recommend that you use a beaten egg for this so that they can close completely. I found that using egg will help seal them way better than water, but if you only have water, that's fine. Now, as you can see, I'm just gathering all of the points and I'm just sealing them together in the middle. Make sure you seal them super tight, because once again, you don't want that cream cheese mixture to come out during the frying process. Also, y'all, I don't know if you know this, but wonton and egg roll wrappers are found in the produce section. Don't be like me. I was going around the whole store trying to find some dang on wonton wrappers, and lo and behold, they were in the produce section. And when I found them, I was like, who the hell put the wonton wrappers by the fruit? But one of my coworkers told me it was because they're vegan. So if you're looking for them, y'all, they're in the produce section. So now we're going to add them to our oil. These took maybe about a good 4 to 7 minutes to fry. If you have a deep fryer, I would recommend using that over a pot filled with oil, because these things, because of how they're shaped, they don't stay right side up, I guess you can say. So if you have a fryer, you know how a deep fryer has like the lid and it'll keep them down, I would recommend doing that. As you can see, I did have to kind of turn them and twist them to get them evenly brown on all sides. So some of my cream cheese did spill out, but make sure that you seal these bad boys super tight before you drop them into your oil. As you can see, I am taking my wontons out and draining them on a wire rack. And once they are cool enough to eat, go ahead and enjoy them with some sweet chili sauce. You can dip them in some duck sauce or some sweet and sour sauce. All right, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. All right, until then.